Hello, dear students. This is the video uh, session. In this session, I told in the previous session that I continue the synopsis in the second part. This is the second part of the same topic, that is synopsis of the brief synopsis of the play. That is the way of the world. And now I want to continue the synopsis of the play. Elements of comedy of manners reflected in the way of the world. Right, in the previous session, I focused the important elements that were widely used by the writers of the comedy of manners. That is satire, wit, irony, intrigue, scandals. Uh, they were the popular the elements of comedy of manners. They were widely used. And most of the elements that I have listed were reflected very seriously in the play, The Way of the World. Let us see though how they were reflected and how the plot is developed around this. The present play, Way of the World, strongly reflects all the elements of comedy of manners. And he himself, that is Kangri himself, became popular writer by breaking the tradition that only men were acting both male and female. It was another kind of a revolution that was done in the theatre of the Restoration period. Long back, even BC, and that is AD, that is we see that uh, uh, in the history of the theatre, men were acting both as male and female roles in almost all the comedies and tragedies we could see in the history. But here there was a break for the long-standing tradition of making roles. That is a that is a female role were began to enacting by the female themselves, and male were male. And here a kind of a that is a change, or a kind of a shift has taken as far as the characters are concerned, and characters that were rolled by male and woman by woman. It was done well in the place of William Congreve. With his place, women began to that is make their roles themselves. It was a woman by name. I want to that is a quote. Uh, One of the names of the woman characters in the very beginning of the Comedy of Manners during his plays. That is Mrs. Brass Girdle. Mrs. Brass Girdle was the actress that went on to hold many of the female leading roles, particularly in the works of Congreve. Almost all the in almost all the plays of Congreve, Mrs. That is Brace Girdle acted as actress well, and it was a attraction for the plays of William Congreve during that period. Hence, his plays became popular and presented well. It was a remarkable that is changes that was taken during his time. Now let us come to the that is the plot, the synopsis of the plot. That is way of the world. Here in the previous class, I introduced the characters and individual characters and analysis that was also well discussed in many videos. Now, I just want to brief out the story of the play as a synopsis. Mirabel as a restoration protagonist. Mirabel, you know that he was a that is the hero of the plot, and young and energetic and quite attractive boy in the play. And he was a restoration protagonist. That was he was a hero of the play. Let us see how he was acting and what role that he has played, and how significant his role was in the whole play. See that. In the play where the world, Congreve introduced the character Mirabel as a restoration hero of the play that you want to know. The play begins and ends with him. The very first scene of the first act, it begins with him, and the last scene was also that ends with him. Such a long-standing role of the play. Around him, the plots of the play develops because he is a master of plots and introduced throughout the play. Mirabel was a young and intelligent who strongly loves Millamant, who was niece and ward of Lady Wishford, the widow and wealthy lady, the first cousin of Mrs. Fainall. He wanted to marry her by getting the consent of Lady Wishford, as she was Millamant's guardian. But she did not have good words on him. So she wanted to arrange Millamant's marriage with her nephew by name Sir Wilful Whitwood. The country bred was a 40 years old, distant, long blood relative of Millamant. On the other hand, Millamant was honestly loving Mirabel and wanted to get married him with the consent of the guardian, that is Lady Wishford. There was a conflict in the mind of the Mirabel how to get rid of the problem to get married Mirabel, and how to get the consent of Lady Wishford. This was the conflict in the mind of the Mirabel, and in order to overcome or come out of this and get married Millamant, he made a plot against Lady Wishford. Let us see the what plot that Mirabel did in order to get married. That is marry Millamant. See that in the whole play, when we look at this, there were complicated love affairs and complicated relationship throughout the play. Almost all the characters are not free from love affairs and complicated relations between and among them. Almost except Millamant in the whole play. Let us see this complicated love affairs and relationship in the that is the plot. How Mirabel was held responsible for creating all these kind of complicated relationships and love affairs as a protagonist. To become successful in his plot, Mirabel, he made a plot against that is Lady Wishford. To become successful, Mirabel created his long relative uncle by name Sir Rowland. It was a plot. The role of Sir Rowland was intensely, that is, masqueraded by Waitwell. Waitwell was a servant and his valet who recently married Foible, was Lady Wishford maid. According to Mirabel, the marriage of Waitwell and Foible was the gateway to his marriage with Millamant. but it was not so easy for him because there was another dominant character in the play, that is Fainall, who married Mrs. Fainall, the daughter of Lady Wishford, only for money. Though he was a friend of Mirabel, he was not happy with him because his wife was his former mistress, and yet Mirabel could become successful to get Mrs. Fainall to marry him for money. On the other hand, Fainall was an affair with Mrs. Marwood, and Mrs. Marwood herself was Mirabel's mistress. See that, how the complications were raised. Even the Lady Whispered herself was in love with Mirabel internally, though she was a widow. Thus, there were more complications in the relationship, in the whole play, that we see that. Uh, right now that we see the uh, how the plot was developed in order to make Wu to Lady Whispered and to prevent her from the loss of her property by the penal. Right, revealing the fact behind the plot. How Mirabel could successful in revealing the fact and win the heart of the Lady Wishport and get married. The Milament, that is uh, uh, what he loved strongly. With all these complicated relationships between and among them, Mirabel loved Milament. And being loved by her and made a plot in which Sir Roland was his far blood relative uncle who led Wishford to prevent the cheat of final regarding money and that is wealth of the Lady Wishford, who wanted to get the inherited property and money from her. Mirabel thought that if Sir Roland would woo and marry Wishford, the money and property would go to him, and Final would not legally get all the money. This is the logic behind the plot was that is plot was uh, finally disclosed to uh, Lady Whispered. Let us see when he got the uh, consent of Lady Wishford and convinced her and gave the fact behind uh, the plot and the decision that was taken by uh, Final all to the Lady Wishford. Uh, we see the happy marriage of Mirabel and Belement almost at the end of the play. So, with the intrigue, Mirabel would like to disclose the fact behind it and the adultery of Mrs. Marwood and Final. The adultery Mrs. Marwood and Final, it was secretly planned. It only knew to Mirabel and it was openly that is disclosed and convinced Lady Wishford. It was avoided by Final and Mrs. Marwood, but Final could not successful in his plan to get all inherited money from Wishford and marry Mrs. Marwood. But finally, Mirabel convinced Lady Wishford the fact, and she forgave the earlier misinterpretations and allegations on Mirabel and gave consent to marry Mirament. And thus the play ends with the happy marriage of Mirabel. Right, the play is going to end with the happy marriage of the Mirabel and Milament. The play where the world ends with the forgiveness of Lady Wishford and happy ending with the marriage of Milament and Mirabel. This is the brief synopsis in which we see the dominant role was played by Mirabel, uh, and around him other characters were that is revolved, and there is a plot in the plot that was well managed by the Mirabel, and finally he got success in getting the that is the marriage with the Millamant. Thank you for listening this second part of the synopsis. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.